we will revise chapter number 8, who is heavier. Okay, so children, what are you seeing here? Here is balance and two objects, that is grapes and apples. So we have to compare which object is heavy and which object is light. So children, here easily you can see here is kept 500 grams grapes. Okay, and here kept an apple whose weight is 100 grams. So easily you can see which fruits is light. So apple is lighter than grapes, or we can say grapes are heavier than apple. Okay, so only this thing we have to learn in this chapter. Now you know very well, when you go to market, so when you have to buy something, suppose you want to take potato, so what you will say? You will say kilogram, give me 1 kilogram potato or 500 gram potato. So unit of weight is kilogram and gram. Okay, the standard unit of weight is kilogram. In short, it is written as kg. Kilogram is used to measure the weight of heavy objects like school bags, sack of grains, stone. Okay, gram, another weight is gram. It is used to measure the weight of lighter objects like spoon, chocolates, biscuits. Okay, also you can say flowers, right? Look at here children, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, then half kilogram we can use this way, 1/2, and we can say half kg. So half kilogram is equal to 500 gram. So here some weights are, look at this weight. Generally you have seen this weight in market, right? They use different weight to measure the object. Here is 2 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 500 gram and 200 gram weight. Okay, suppose you want 2 kg apple from market. So shopkeeper, what they will use? Either they will use 2 kilogram to measure that apple, or they will use two weights of 1 kilogram, right? Suppose this both weight they don't have, so they can use also 4 weight of 500 gram. Okay, now another example, you can see here 1 kilogram is equal to 2 weights of 500 gram. So suppose you have to take 1 kilogram sugar. Okay, so if you ask from shopkeeper that give me 1 kilogram sugar, and so either they will use 1 kilogram weight to measure that sugar, or they will use 2 weights of 500 gram, right? Why? Because 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1000 gram. So here when we add both number, 500 gram and 500 gram makes 1000 gram, and that is 1 kg, right? Similarly, we can see here 1 kilogram is equal to 5 weights of 200 gram. So they can also use this weight to measure 1 kilogram of any object. So here is 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and when you add all numbers, that is 200 gram, 200 gram, 5 times. So 5 twos are 10, that is 1000 gram, right? That's why I have taken here 5 weight of 200 grams. Now let's do some question regarding this. So are you ready? Okay, read the question number 1. Guess their weight and match. Some objects are given there, and you have to match according to their weight. So first is an elephant. An elephant. So children, elephant's weight is heavier. Elephant is heavier or lighter? Of course, it is more heavier. So just to check it here, 1 kilogram, 20 gram only, 90 kilogram, 30 gram, 1000 kilogram and 3 kilogram. So the weight of, when we estimate the weight of an element, it will be 1000 kilogram. So second one is newborn baby. So children, you have seen newborn baby. So when we estimate the weight of newborn baby is only 1 kg? No. 20 gram is very less. 90 kg, it is too heavy. 30 gram is too much less. Here is 3 kg. So we will match with 3 kg, right? Third one is sack of grains. Okay, so sack of grain is too much heavy. So let's check. Here is 30 gram. Gram is very less than kg. So here is 90 kg, then 20 gram, then 1 kilogram. So which answer will be correct? Yes, it is 90 kilograms. So we will match with it. See the next object, a flower. So children, did you see rose flower or hibiscus or any other flower? Marigold. It is heavy or light? Of course it is light. So it will become in gram. So here is 20 gram and 30 gram. So we can match with 30 gram, right? A brick. So brick is heavier than chocolates, right? So here we will match with kilogram. So and chocolates, everybody has eaten chocolates. So you should know the weight of chocolates. So here we will match with 20 gram with a chocolate. Question number 2. Which is heavier? Children, here is given the weight of two weights here given, 500 gram and weight, or 4 weight of 100 gram. So here we have to compare, and then after we will find which is heavier. So first here is 500 gram. Here I have drawn one weight of 500 gram and here 4 weight of 100 gram, right? Why? Because here is written 400 gram weight. So when you count, when you add all numbers, 100, 200, 300, 400 gram. So here is 500 and here is 400. So which weight is heavier? Of course 500 grams. So I have written answer here 500 gram, right? Now next question is 1 kilogram weight is heavier or 4 weight of 200 gram. So let's check. Children, 1 kilogram weight is equal to 1000 gram, right? So here I have drawn 1000 gram weight, which is 1 kilogram. So then after we draw 4 weight of 200 gram. This side 1000 gram, that is 1 kg, and this side 4 weight of 200 gram. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we add, when we count, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. 4 times 2, that is 4 2s are 8. That is 800 gram. So easily you can compare 1000 is bigger or 800. Obviously 1000, that is 1 kg. So and what we write answer, children? 1 kg weight is heavier, right? Let's try to solve another question. Question number 3. Draw the weights that you will use to weigh the items given in the table. Look at here. Some weights are given here and we have to measure here 50 kg of weight, and we have to check how much weight we will use to measure this 50 kilogram of weight. Okay, so let's start. Here you can see 50 kg, 50. So just you think how many numbers of weight we can take to measure. So here is 50. When we take 10 kg, so suppose here I will take one weight of 10 kg. Children, you can use only, you can circle to show the weight. No need to draw all these things. But here is only 10 and we have to make 50 kg. So we draw one more. Here is 10 kg. Two weights of 10 kg, that is 10 plus 10 is 20. So how many? Total 5. We take total 5 weight of 10 kg, right? So here 10 kg, one weight, another weight of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is 50 kg, right? Now next one is half kilogram of tomatoes. So suppose you ask from shopkeeper to give me half kilogram of tomatoes. So they will use which weight? You can check here. Half kilogram means what? Half kilogram means 500 gram. Okay, half kilogram means 500 gram. So can you check it here? Where is 500 gram? Yes. So they will use this weight. Or if they don't have, they will use two weights of 200 gram and one weight of 100 gram. That is 2 plus 2 is 400 and 400 plus 100 is 500. So either they can use this two weight or they can use 500. So here we will draw the weight of 500 gram. Look at this question, children. Here is 800 gram of sugar. How much? 800 gram. So which weight we use? Just check it. 10 kg is too much heavier, so we will not take this. Here is 5 kg, here is 2 kg and 500. This three weight we will not use to measure 800 gram of sugar. So we have to use only, we have to see only here 500 gram, 200 gram and 100 gram. So we have to make here 800 gram. So what we do, children? We take one weight of 500 gram. Okay. Here I have drawn 500 gram, but here is 800. So to make 800, what we use? We use 200 gram. But still is remaining. Here is 5 plus 2 is 7. So 700 gram. But we have to make 800 gram. So one more weight we will take 100 gram. Now we use three weight to measure 800 gram of sugar, right? Next question is, do as directed and complete the table. Okay, so here is given 2000 gram and we have to make its double. Double means what, children? Double means 2 times. So here suppose one chocolate, so double of 2 chocolates, right? So here is 2000 gram. So when we multiply by 2, that means double. It is, here is 2000 gram and we add more 2000 to make double. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and this 30 we put. So we write here 4000 gram. So double of 2000 gram is 4000 gram. Now here is written it's half of 2000 gram. So half of 2000 gram is 1000 gram, that is 1 kilogram, 1 kg, right? Same way we will find out the double of 1 kg. You know very well, double of 1 kg is equal to 2 kg, that means 2 times 1, and 1 kg is equal to 500 gram, it's half, so we can write half kg or 500 gram. Same way you have to do this remaining question. Okay.